Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Command Prompt quickly. Press Start, type CMD, and hit Enter. If you need system access, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This gives you elevated permissions. Once done, verify you're in the expected folder by typing CD and pressing Enter, or use echo%cd% to show the current directory. Make sure to confirm user account control prompts. Without elevation, some commands will fail, so get this first step correct before moving on. You'll now move around and run core commands. Use cd /path/ with spaces to change directories and dir to list files, dir/ reveals hidden entries. For creating folders, type mkdir folder name. To copy files, use copy source destination, and move for renaming or relocating. If you need to inspect output, pipe with more or find text with find term. These steps let you control files and folders. Keep elevation in mind for protected directories, so commands succeed. You finish by saving work and closing safely. Redirect command output with file. txt to capture results or to append. When you're done, type exit to close the session, or CLS to clear the screen while you continue. If a command returns access is denied, rerun command prompt as administrator and repeat the action. That solves most permission issues. If a path isn't found, confirm spelling and use quotes for spaces. Once fixed, retry the command and proceed to complete the task.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.